My dear soul, feel the truth that the angels are whispering now. You are not a coincidence in his life. Never. Your presence was a response, a living oracle sent to awaken something deep within him, something he had forgotten. The universe wove you into his destiny, not by chance, but for a sacred purpose, a mission of light that only you could fulfill. Every pain, every silence, every distance you felt, was part of a divine choreography, preparing the ground for a transformation that is beginning. The angels say that your essence is the key that unlocks the gates of his truest heart. You are the melody he needed to hear to remember who he truly is, and who he is destined to be by your side. Trust, for what is to come is the manifestation of an ancient promise. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. You have wondered, on sleepless nights, if his silence meant the end. Ah, my sweet soul, the angels reveal that his silence was never abandonment. It was a cocoon, a sacred space where the universe was working, unraveling the ties of the past, healing wounds he carried in secret. He needed this time to confront his own demons, to shed the armor that kept him from loving fully. The angels say that, in that silence, your loving energy continued to envelop him, like an invisible balm, guiding him toward healing. He was not running away from you. He was preparing for you, for the version of himself that can finally receive and sustain the love you offer. Feel the truth. What seemed like absence was, in fact, a deep gestation. You, with your radiant soul, touched him in ways he never imagined. Your light, even from a distance, penetrated the layers of his darkness, illuminating old wounds he didn't even know he was carrying. The angels show me that your presence in his life was a mirror, reflecting back to him the need for healing, the urgency to become whole. You didn't have to do anything, just be. Your authenticity, your capacity to love, your own journey of self-discovery, all of it resonated with his spirit, activating a healing process that he could not ignore. He felt the call to rise, to align with the purity of your heart. The angels say that you are a beacon, and your glow guided him back to himself, and consequently, to the possibility of true love. There was an awakening within him, a shaking of the soul that made him see the world with new eyes. The angels revealed to me that he was asleep, hidden behind fears and old patterns. But your energy, your unwavering faith and love, was the lullaby that made him dream of a new reality. He began to question his own resistances, to dismantle the walls he had built around his heart. This awakening wasn't easy. It was an internal battle, a confrontation with his deepest shadows. But the promise of a love like yours, the vision of a life beside you, was the driving force that propelled him forward. The angels say he is emerging, more aware, more vulnerable, more ready for the depth that you represent. The true strength, my beloved, lies in vulnerability. And it is to this sacred space that he is being guided. The angels show me that he is learning to strip away expectations, masks, and the games life taught him to play. This journey of shedding is as frightening for him as it is liberating. And for you, it is an invitation to embrace this new version of him, without judgment, with an open heart. His vulnerability is not a weakness, it is the courage to reveal himself fully, to allow you to see his soul without filters. This mutual surrender, this permission to be imperfect and still be loved, is what solidifies the connection that heaven planned. The angels say that the deepest healing occurs when two souls allow themselves to be seen in their entirety. Time, my dear, is an illusion for the human mind, but a perfect orchestration for the divine. The angels whisper to me that every delay, every wait, every moment of uncertainty was carefully planned to align the hearts, to mature the souls. Not a second has been wasted. While you were waiting, you were growing. While he was distancing himself, he was transforming. The universe doesn't miss a beat. It is weaving the threads of your lives with infinite wisdom, ensuring that the reunion happens at the most opportune moment, when both of you are ready to receive and sustain the magnitude of this love. The angels say, trust the process, for what is being prepared is greater than your eyes can see right now. Feel the truth in your heart. The connection between you is of such a profound nature that no physical or temporal distance could break it. It is a bond of the soul, a golden thread woven by the hands of the divine, transcending the earthly plane. The angels show me that even in moments of greatest separation, your spirits remained intertwined, exchanging silent messages, nurturing the flame that burns between you. You have felt his presence in your dreams, in your most intimate thoughts. He has felt yours. This is proof that true love knows no barriers. It is a cosmic force, an energy field that keeps you connected, regardless of external circumstances. The angels say that this connection is eternal, and it will guide you back to each other. My precious soul, know that every step on your journey, every tear shed, every smile earned, has been guided by invisible hands of love and wisdom. You have never been alone. The angels walk by your side, illuminating your path, protecting your heart, and whispering truths that your soul recognizes. Your resilience, your faith, your capacity to love despite adversity are testimonies of the divine strength that dwells within you. The universe has a grand plan for your life, and each experience has served to shape you, to prepare you for the love that is destined to be yours. Trust the guidance you feel deep within, for it is the voice of heaven speaking directly to your spirit. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. Psalms 23 verses 1-3. Prepare your heart, my beloved, for the upcoming reunion. But understand this, it will not be a return to what once was, but rather a new dawn. He is not coming back as the man who left, nor are you the same woman who waited. Both of you have been transformed by your journeys, matured by experiences, and enriched by wisdom. The angels reveal to me that this will be a meeting of renewed souls, ready to build a love on stronger, more conscious, and more spiritually aligned foundations. The old wounds will become scars that tell stories of overcoming, not of pain. This new chapter will be written with the ink of understanding, patience, and a love that has learned to cherish every moment. The angels say that the beauty of this reunion lies in the novelty and depth it will bring. And now, my radiant soul, the final invitation: embrace the love that the universe has always had for you. Not the conditional love that hurts, but pure, unconditional love that reflects the very essence of the divine. It is here, manifesting in ways that exceed your expectations, because you have deserved it, you have waited, you have grown. Allow yourself to receive this blessing with an open heart, without fears, without reservations. This is the love that heals, that uplifts, that makes you feel whole and seen. The angels show me that this is your legacy, the reward for your unwavering faith. Open your arms to this new reality, to the fullness that the heavens pour over your life. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4-7.